Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, July 5th. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY, IWM, Triple Qs. First and foremost, I couldn't trade today. I had major issues with all my computers. The only thing I had working today, fortunately, was Discord to be on the mic and Window Trader, so we can go through the entire day with my trading room. But some big issues on updates or whatever with my trading platform, with everything. I can't, Schwab's even down. So I'm going to have to spend tonight taking them all out of the computer and reinstalling them and hope that fixes it. So I could not trade today. To be honest with you, I'm not so sure I'm happy. Today was a very weird and difficult day, I think. All we did after B period, well, really after D period, was just take back what they decided to do this morning, which was take out Friday's low, try to push down, get nothing for their efforts, and then we spent the entire day taking all Friday back, and now we have an outside day up, I believe. I think we closed above Friday's high. Triple Qs certainly do. Now, keep in mind, Triple Qs had an inside day Friday, so they had an inside day down for about 10 seconds today, only to have a rip-roaring inside day up above M's high from Friday, as they went almost $4.50 higher than Friday's high. So they finished with an outside day up. It's still balanced because we all took out Friday's lows, even though they got above and into the 28 range. For me to call the daily up, we would have to take out today's high in all three of us, our indices. Even though Russell also took out their balance high. We did not. Our balance high is 282.27. We did not take it out, okay? But for now, all three of these are still in balance, but we all finished with outside days up after a mindless, meaningless price movement in the morning to set off this chain of events. How's this for being strange? We finished with overlap and a low of value, yet we have three sets of single prints to the upside and a price probe. Triple Qs go out with a triple distribution day. They have single prints in K and J, and then they had a small one in H that they held. Russell goes out with a triple distribution day. They had single prints in L, then their middle distribution is K, then their other set of single prints is J. We're only a double distribution day because we held the single prints in L, K, and J. As far as destinations, upside will be today's high of 381.98. Then our balance high of 382.27, and then you should have all the destinations of those single prints on the 28th. If you don't have them, please go back to June 28th's video, the afternoon video, where I gave them. For the downside, we have a price probe. That's L's high of 381.42. Then we have three sets of single prints. First one started at 380.60, get filled at 48. M's low to K's high. Second set, now we had a print go on. I'm going to use this as K's low. That's our second set. They start, I'm sorry. Right, that's our first set. And then our second set start at, where am I here? Here it is, L. Sorry. L's low of 379.27 to J's high of 379.15, and then K's low 378.57 to I's high of 06, and then there's nothing to the daily low of 372.90. There's no pullback. There's no 9 wide. I can't say A is where change took place because F, G, and H continually went down through it. Technically, where change really took place, I would think, I guess you could use F's high, because that's when J never was able to get 4 wide, and then we finally went trend. So actually, technically, I guess I could use F's high as a valid point also, which was 377.12. That's pretty much where change took place. So actually, I am going to use that below the last set of single prints and above the daily low. So 377.12. I'm going to use as a price spike from today, okay? F's high. Now, I have no charts to show you, but what I do have to tell you is this, because everything's down. We do have the minutes tomorrow at 2 o'clock. I have to leave regardless of if my machines are up or not by right after 2 because I have an appointment that I can't cancel. So it's going to be interesting to see after the minutes come out, do we take back everything we worked so hard for to get back today from Friday? Or do we finally get into the 28 train and take back all these single prints? And remember, there's 1, 2, 3, there are 5 sets of single prints still from that day on the 28th. So it will be interesting to see come 2 o'clock. Unfortunately, I won't be around to see it. And then Friday, we also have the job number coming out. I hope you had a much better day than I did since I couldn't trade. It was a pretty interesting day. All we did for my money's worth was kind of do what I thought the market might want to do today after that strong finish on Friday, but they head faked us to take out Friday's lows to have an outside day up. That's basically all they did today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.